G'day and welcome to the Performance by Design Institute. My name is Emil Studham and I'll be your performance coach for these sessions that have been specifically designed for your team to help build a more high-performing culture within your organisation. Now, whether or not you were part of the initial workshops with us where you created the culture code of your organisation and your team, or you are a new member and you're going into training as part of your induction into the organisation, I'm excited for you because you're going to learn a lot about yourself through these sessions. You're going to practice introspection and develop a new level of self-awareness. When you can do that, you take ownership of your behaviours and you're also able to develop stronger professional relationships with your peers. And that's important in the space of team dynamics, obviously. Today we're going to dive into why we created the Institute, and we're also going to talk about the model that we're going to use for these sessions moving forward. So let's get straight into it. Why did we create the Performance by Design Institute? Number one reason, the fundamentals. We want you to learn the fundamentals of team dynamics, key definitions of leadership. What does it mean to have a high-performing culture? What is giving and receiving feedback? What role does trust play in high performance? All these things will be integrated so you understand and develop a greater understanding of the fundamentals of team dynamics. The foundation created through these definitions will be very powerful for you moving forward in order to sustain performance. So great foundation from the fundamentals. Then we're going to dive into creating a new language. Again, we're going to practice using the words of your culture code. You need to create a new language within your organisation or maintain a certain level of language so that people understand what is expected of them. So these sessions, you're going to practice using the words of your culture code, your purpose, values and behaviours, particularly your value statement, your team identity and your best behaviours. Like anything in life, the more you practice it, the better you will get at it. And we know through our results model that you'll learn more in the near future about language affects our beliefs affect our behaviours, and our behaviours drive our results. So building a new language within the organisation is super important. And then finally, the third major reason for the Institute is to build strong professional relationships. Professional being a very important word here. Professional relationships are built around respect and understanding that your teammates can do their job and do it under pressure, as well as deliver on their word under pressure. So by consistently developing these relationships, you'll build the trust, safety, and you'll also get evidence that your teammates can do their job and deliver on their word. Like any great relationship in your life, you don't get to a destination. It is an ongoing commitment. So building strong professional relationships is a real core and cornerstone of everything we do within the Institute. Let's touch now quickly on the model that we're going to use in all of the sessions, and it's called the Action Learning Model. You will absorb some content, much like you are right now, often through delivery through video or written format. Often it'll be delivered by me or one of the other performance coaches within our organisation. Then you will reflect on that information. You will practice introspection a lot of the time and reflect on your own performance based around the content. So it's a learn, reflect step. Then after the reflection, the building strong professional relationships piece comes in, and that's the connection point. That's when you'll share your answers and thoughts with your peers. So the three steps are learn, reflect, and connect. And that's the model that we'll use throughout the entire Institute itself. So that's content for session one. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm excited to be here with you guys. Dive into the activities now, build those strong professional relationships, and we'll see you next time because it's all about performance.